It's 8 a.m. The line's already out the door, and the one car your system swears is ready is sitting out back with a dented door nobody locked. You know this feeling. Damage photos buried on somebody's phone, vehicle status guessed off a whiteboard, and every single day, money slips through the cracks while you're just trying to keep up. It doesn't have to be like this. Now, after more than 40 years in rental technology, Bluebird presents RentWorks Plus. One live record for the whole operation. Finally, start on the planner. Drag a reservation onto any open unit and you see real availability across every class. That conflict that would have wrecked your afternoon? Gone. Caught before it ever happens. At the counter, a guided flow walks you from customer to car. License, rates, add-ons, you type it once. Nothing slips. People sign right on screen. Payments, deposits, authorizations, they post straight to the agreement. At return, log the odometer and fuel in seconds. The charges do their own math. The balance settles on the spot. Customer walks out smiling, and for once, so do you. Your fleet page knows every vehicle. On rent, due back, in the shop. Scan a plate or a VIN and its whole story opens up. Repair orders keep downtime on the calendar instead of blindsiding you. Got damage? Open a claim with photos and evidence and chase it all the way to recovery. No more swallowing the loss. No more writing it off. Corporate accounts get their own records. Drivers, negotiated rates, direct billing, balances. Those side spreadsheets? Finally gone. And reporting pulls every location into one view. Revenue, utilization, no-shows, what's trending, and exactly why. Here's the part that stings. A 50-car fleet running at 60% utilization is really only running 30 cars. You already own the other 20. You just can't see them yet. RentWorks Plus. Higher utilization, fewer write-offs. One place where the system and the lot finally agree. Come see it on your own fleet. Book a demo at rentworksplus.com.